Alright, go. 1, 2.
I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna go down.
Yeah, I know.
I'm gonna go
Still
down.
You're forcing outtake, I know it. What's your reaction?
Hello. Someone's talking. Hi. I just came up from the basement. Welcome to another episode of AKwan's Kitchen. Today's episode, we're gonna be making soy sauce. Try that again. Ding!
Okay. Action.
What?
That's an outtake.
We also need some dark soy sauce. Just leaking from the back, so hurry up. And then we need some oyster flavor sauce here. You can't see the price tag, can you?
Yeah.
Run.
Oh no! Ah, I got choked me. What are you doing?
You're cooking the noodles today. Fry those noodles. Fry them up. Fry them up.
Can you use the apron? Sorry, the apron's kind of messed up now.
It is messed up.
But I don't know how to make them.
Too bad.
Please don't make
Too bad. Fry them up. Fry them up. Stop wasting noodles. What was that about?
Jerk.
Where's my noodles?
Here you go, sir. I hope it's good enough for you.
Let's see.
Well, is it num num num?
It's good enough.
That's it.
Ha! I'm dealing with the apron.
Oh, you stop. Give me back my apron. I want my apron. Ah!